Hello. Today in our tool review we're gonna talk about shape divider. Um, it's another design tool, also another free tool that you can use. It's one that I used quite a lot for some of my projects, and it was second product of the day in 2020, and it's made by Karam Shirem and Gaurav Padya. And yeah, well, basically you can create different waves for your background. Actually, here you can not only waves, you can choose a different shape that you want. Waves are kind of something that it's quite normal to use in the background, but you can do any other shapes. You can choose the color. So here you can put red, and if you flip it or invert, you have the different color. And so to explain what you are putting each this part, so this is going to be something that you put in your website. This doesn't come. So what you are creating is this part only that is here. Let's choose a different color for you to see. It's the blue part, not the pink. So let's make it waves, for example. Here it's more easy. So this is the part that you're gonna make it, and that's gonna show up almost like in the background of the image. You can make it bigger or smaller, and also you can make as change the width. It also depends of where you're gonna put it. You can invert where it's gonna put, or you also can put it on top or in the bottom and flip it. When you download it, you get the code and of the HTML, and you get the code of the CSS, and of course you also can download it as a vector. So both of them work, whatever it's better for you. And like I said, here you can see how it looks on different views. So it's actually nice to see what you need. Like for example, if you have this, you can see that it's too big, so it might be a little bit smaller. Yeah, but you can play around. It's 100% free, and well, yeah, enjoy it. See you next time.